Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Acer laptop is not turning on but you can see the power light. So to fix this, you can first try resetting the graphics driver. So for this, all you have to do is press the Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B keys together. So press this key combination and see if it works. If it doesn't, make sure your laptop is not set to the minimum brightness. This may sound obvious, but having your laptop's brightness to minimum can give you the impression that the laptop is not turning on. So simply press Fn plus right arrow key to increase the brightness. If nothing else works, your last option is to perform a hard reset. So for this, press and hold the power button on your laptop until it turns off. Once it is off, unplug everything including the charger and all the other accessories. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button on your Acer laptop for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, simply plug the charger back in and then try to turn on your laptop. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.